Hello everybody, Doc Reynolds. The purpose for week 2 was to develop a research question and preliminary hypothesis. Most everyone found themselves struggling with their hypothesis development. This is normal. As we learn, the hypothesis is a statement for how a change or condition in one or more of the independent variables causes a change or condition in a dependent variable. Remember, you may use an if-then statement as you formulate your actual narrative statements. That's fine. But don't get too hung up, because they're going to likely change as we move along anyway. And you'll find that as you write papers, your hypothesis is likely to change. Now, a couple of housekeeping items. Remember that when you're writing an academic paper, always write it in the third person, which uses terms such as this student or this researcher. You want to refrain from using first or second person narratives such as I, me, us, we, etc. Finally, refrain from the use of contractions. And these are words like can't for cannot, won't for will not, or couldn't for could not. Now in week 3, we are going to learn how to develop an argument and find what it is you want to say. To help develop this process, you will select an article pertinent to your research topic and deconstruct it into its primary elements. Now these elements are the research question, thesis, the claims or arguments that the author is making, the evidence or supporting facts, and the conclusion. And here's how we're going to do it this week. You're going to locate a scholarly, peer-reviewed article and download it to a Word document. Locate the elements by annotating with a highlighting tool or providing remarks in the margin. Provide a brief critique of the article, identifying the strong elements or those that were perhaps less compelling. Finally, provide your assessment of its utility to you after you have broken it down and understand the arguments and the facts the author is trying to make or the author is claiming. You can write this also at the bottom of the article itself or provide it in a separate document. Your critique, however, should be no more than a single page, so just one page is all we need. And of course, also, please be sure that you use proper citations using the Farabi format. So, moving into week 3, we're about halfway through the class. I think everyone's doing a good job. Remember, research writing is a lot different. It's a whole new mode of thinking for many of you. So I don't want anyone being discouraged if you're just not getting it. Now you know how to get a hold of me. Please send me an email via the in-class messages tool. And of course, I'll do all I can to help you. So let's get started.